Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you some important questions on general features of gymnosperm for NEET aspirants and other competitive examination of general biology. The chief characteristics of cycas is that they have long and oblong leaves, green and scaly leaves, palmate foliage leaves, brown scaly and green pinnate foliage leaf. Fourth option is correct, brown scaly and green pinnate foliage leaf. Cycas is monoecious or dioecious, monoecious, dioecious, none of the above. It is dioecious. The roots of cycas are adventitious, corolloid and simple, corolloid only, normal only. Second option, corolloid and simple. Reproduction in cycas takes place by vegetative method only, sexual method only, both by vegetative and sexual methods, fragmentation. Third option is correct, both by vegetative and sexual method. Pollination in cycas takes place by wind, insect, water, man. First option is correct, it is the wind. The xylem of the vascular bundles of cycas is usually absent, of uncertain types, present, of monocyclic, present, and of pycnocyclic type. It is present and monocyclic type. The phloem of vascular system of cycas is devoid of tracheids, with tracheids, devoid of companion cells, with sieve tubes and companion cells. It is devoid of companion cells. Ovules are not found enclosed in ovary in algae and fungi, bryophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperm. It is gymnosperm. The corolloid roots are the characteristics of fern, angiosperm, cycas, none of them. It is cycas. The corolloid roots are aerial, phototropic, apogeotrophic, positively zero. It is apogeotrophic. The young leaves of cycas have volvate vernation, sarconate vernation, imbricate vernation, twisted vernation. The correct option, succinate vernation. In cycas, the vascular bundle of a leaflet is endark or exarch, endark, exarch, pseudomesarch. It is pseudomesarch. Vegetative reproduction in cycas is by means of strobilus, bulbous, gummy fragmentation. Correct option is bulbous. Cycas plant in appearance resembles mango tree, date palm, people tree, ficus. It resembles date palm. Cycas is similar to a mustard in yielding oil, in bearing seed, in being self-pollinated, in having corolloid roots, in being bearing seed. The leaf of cycas shows hydrophytic characters, xerophytic characters, mesophytic characters, lithophytic character. It shows xerophytic character. Corolloid roots of cycas is distinguished from angiosperms roots by presence of algal zone, absence of algal zone, absence of pith, having xylem tissue. It is presence of algal zones. The spermatozoids of cycas are small uniciliate and of ovoid shape, small lens shaped and multiciliate, large top shaped and multiciliate, none of the above. Third option is correct, large top shaped and multiciliate. Cycas revoluta is widely grown in medicinal plants, wood yielding plants, oil giving plants, ornamental plant. It is the ornamental plant. The stem of adult cycas plant is covered with persistent leaf base which are deciduous, permanent and are left by fallen old leaves, permanent and are left by the shedding of old stem, temporary and left by shedding of the new leaf. Second option is correct, permanent and are left by fallen old leaves. The leaves in cycas are alternate, opposite, spirally arranged, none of them. They are spirally arranged. The vascular bundles of cycas stem are conjoined, collateral and closed, conjoined, collateral and open, conjoined, collateral and closed. Third option is correct, conjoined, collateral and open. Mucilaginous canals in cycas are found in cortex of stem, vascular bundles, pith, cortex and pith. It is cortex and pith. The male cone of cycas is made up of a group of microsporophylls, megasporophylls, sporophylls, archegonia. It is by microsporophylls. The seed known by the name goza that is used as dry fruit belongs to Cycas revoluta, Cedrus, Zamina, Pinus gerardina. It is Pinus gerardina. Microsporophylls on the cones of Cycas are scattered, spirally arranged opposite to each other alternately. Correct option, spirally arranged. B option. Inverted omega-shaped ring of vascular bundles is found in rachis of Cycas, leaflet of Cycas, roots of Cycas, old stem of Cycas. Correct option, rachis of Cycas. The male gametes of Pinus are non-ciliated, multiciliated, biciliated, ciliated or non-ciliated depending upon the presence or absence of water. Pinus giardina is dioecious, monoecious with unisexual cone, monoecious with bisexual cone. Cone never developed. It is monoecious with unisexual cone. Cleavage polyembryony is found in Cycas and Pinus both, is absent in both. It is cleavage polyembryony is found in Pinus. Simple polyembryony is found in Cycas only, Pinus only, Cycas and Pinus both. It is absent in both. Cycas and Pinus both. Shedding of pollen grains in Pinus takes place in 2-celled stage, 3-celled stage, 4-celled stage, 1-celled stage. It is in 3-celled stage. It is in C option correct, 4-celled stage. Winged pollen grains are found in Cycas and Pinus both, absent. It is found in Pinus. The spur of Pinus roxburghi has 4 needles, 2 needles, 3 needles, 5 needles. It has 3 needles. Winged seeds are found in Cycas and Pinus both, absent in both. It is in Pinus. Special features of pollen grains of Pinus is they are yellow colored and have 2 air bladders. They are yellow colored and are without air bladders. They are white and have 2 air bladders. They are white and are without air bladders. First option, they are yellow colored and have 2 air bladders. Number of cotyledons in the embryo of Pinus are 2, 1, 3 to 18. All the above given are possible. It is 3 to 18. Germination of the seed of Pinus is apigeal, hypogeal. Both A and B are possible. Both A and B are wrong. It is apigeal. Proembryo in Pinus is 3-tiered, 4-tiered, 2-tiered, none. It is 4-tiered. For the archegonium of Pinus, which statement is true, the mature archegonium has 8 neck cells arranged in 2 tiers of 4 cells each. The mature archegonium has only 4 neck cells arranged in 2 tiers of 2 cells each. The mature archegonium has 8 neck cells arranged in 4 tiers of 2 cells each. The mature archegonium has 4 neck cells arranged in 1 tier only. First option is correct. The mature archegonium has 8 neck cells arranged in 2 tiers of 4 cells each. What is the position of neck canal cells in Pinus? There is only 1 neck canal cell. There are 2 neck canal cells. There is 1 neck canal cell with 2 nuclei. Neck canal cells are absent. Fourth option is correct. Neck canals are absent. Pollination in Pinus is entomophilous, anemophilous, hydrophilous, zoophilous. It is anemophilous. Plants which do not have usual flowers but have seeds are included in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Angiosperm, Gymnosperm. It is Gymnosperm. Which is absent from the xylem of Cycas? Protoxylem, metaxylem, trachea, tracheids. It is trachea. In Cycas, which structure is equivalent to stamen? Megasporophyll, microsporophyll, male cone, microsporangium. It is microsporophyll. Cycas is different from mango in tree habit, green leaves, presence of xylem. Seeds are not enclosed in fruit wall. Fourth option is correct. Seeds are not enclosed in fruit wall. Which have algal zone? Normal roots of Cycas, roots of Pinus, corolite root of Cycas, that is corolite roots of Cycas. Multiciliate male gametes are found in Eulothrix, Funaria, Mango, Cycas. It is Cycas. In Cycas wood, most of the tissues is made up of tracheids, trachea, more trachea, and some tracheids. Equal amount of tracheids and trachea. It is the tracheids, not trachea. First is the correct. Fern and Cycas are similar in the presence of cambium, ciliated gametes, trachea, seed, that is ciliated gamete. In Gymnosperm, endosperm is a pre-fertilization structure, post-fertilization structure. A and B both are possible. There is no endosperm in a First, pre-fertilization structure. Which have largest oosphere, cycus, spinous, fern, funaria? It is cycus. Transmission of tissues present in the leaflet of cycus, diopteris, angiosperm, funaria. It is in cycus. In cycus, microsporangia are born on lower surface of microsporophyll, upper surface of microsporophyll, margin of microsporophyll, apex of microsporophyll. First option is correct, lower surface of microsporophyll. Which condition is found in cycus? Pycnoxylic, manoxylic, polyxylic, manoxylic, pycnoxylic, polyxylic, pycnoxylic. Second option, manoxylic and polyxylic or polycyclic. Which character in cycus leaf indicates its xerophytic nature? Sunken stomata, epidermis with cuticle, mesophyll with palisade and spongy tissue, all other. It is all of the above. Cycus leaf is unipinnately compound, simple, tripinnately compound, bipinnately compound. It is unipinnately compound. Cycus is monoecious and seed-bearing, dioecious and seed-bearing, seedless, monoecious, seedless, dioecious. Cycus is dioecious and seed-bearing. Cycus is a gymnosperm because it has vessels in xylem, it develops seeds, seeds are naked, none of them. Seeds are naked. In which order of gymnosperm only fossils are present? Cycadophilicales, gingoales, coniferales, nitales. It is cycadophilicales. Why is cycus called a living fossil? It is only found in China. Cycus looks like a fossil. It has ciliated sperm. Some other gymnosperm having cycus-like characters are found as well. Third, it has ciliated sperm. Which is redwood tree? Cycas, pinus, dalbergia, sequoia. It is sequoia. Diploxylic vascular bundles are found in Funaria axis, Diopteris rhizome, Diopteris rhizome, Cycus rachis. It is in Cycus rachis. Fruits are not found in cycus because there is no fertilization, there is no pollination, seeds are not formed, there is no ovary because there is no ovary. In cycus, male cones are megasporophylls are found on different plants. Male cones and megasporophylls are found on same plants. Microsporophylls and megasporophylls are in the same one. Microsporophyll and megasporophylls are not differentiated. First, male cones and megasporophylls are found on different plants. In cycus, the fertilization is zooidogamous, sphenogamous, followed by zooidogamous, only sphenogamous, zoogamous followed by sphenogamous. Second, sphenogamous followed by zooidogamous. In a cycus rachis, the vascular bundles are in a ring scattered in omega-shaped ring, horseshoe shape. It is in omega-shaped ring. In gymnosperms, endosperm is formed by fusion of one polar nucleus and one male gamete, by fusion of two polar nuclei and one male gamete, by germination of one megaspore by fertilization, by germination of one megaspore. Megasporophyll of cycus is equivalent to which part of angiosperm? Stamen, sepal, petal, carpel. It is the carpel. Pollination drop is a bunch of pollen grain suspended in a drop of water, a liquid produced by disorganization of nuclear beak, none of the above. Third option is correct, a liquid produced by disorganization of nuclear beak. Cycus has two cotyledons, but even then it is not classified as a dicot. Because seeds are not enclosed in a fruit wall, it looks like a palm which is monocot, it has megasporophyll, none of it. First option is correct because seeds are not enclosed in fruit wall. The number of neck canal cells in cycus are 2, 4, nil, 1, but with 2 nuclei. It is nil. Cycus shows simple polyembryony, cleavage polyembryony, simple and cleavage polyembryony both. No prayer. First option is correct. It is simple polyembryony. That's all for today. Again, we will go discuss with more important questions in the next videos. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.